Hello, listeners. Hi, my name is Madhavi, and I'm so happy to have you on Upptalk. You have come to the right place if you want to learn about IT and do really cool things with your hands. We are not just another IT company when I say Upptalk. Think of us as your learning partner dedicated to helping you reach your full potential. We have top notch hands on courses to help you build your business, whether you are new to technology or want to move up in your current job. Let's look around this as our first step towards learning.
Let me go. Can you hear me? I can hear you. Hope. Let's go back to the script. 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 Let's submit it now. You can see that the other script, redirected us to the customer survey form. And we will see the logs of this script, which is this survey form. Let me refresh it. Let's see the context. In this context, we have request type method parameters. You can see that we provided this cast parameter. Let me log this only, which is context request. Context request. Text get parameter, I believe. Let's say this form is a customer survey redirect form. First, we are in this customer survey redirect form and I will enter the values. Right. And we will be redirect to the other SuiteLet. What to say? Customer. You want to finish the example and we come back tomorrow. No, actually it has worked. Only I just want to show you. Oh, you can see the parameter now, how we can get the parameter in another script. Oh, redirect. Parameters, scroll down. Parameter. Demo customer name. I got. This is the redirect. What actually we can do. We are pulling this script in. What is the benefit of this parameter? Here we can. Let's say I am sending the name to that particular SuiteLet, right? If I am sending this name, I can get this name over that SuiteLet and what will happen? No need to enter the value. We can directly set the value over there. That way it will work. And we can do this for various calling methods wherever parameters are allowed. This way we send parameters. Oh, but my question is more like this is a SuiteLet, right? This is a SuiteLet. Basically, this is a SuiteLet. You can actually do anything. Basically, you can write any code to it, right? Right, right? It's called wire. If let's say that you want to pass a parameter into this form, the initial pass, you have to pass it. You can write it. When I open this form, can I the URL on top? Can I pass anything to it that you capture something? You want to see the parameter here in this URL, right? We share one way, right? For example, let's say I send a survey to the customer, correct? You send a survey URL to the customer, correct? Right. URL, you want to know based on the URL, then who is the customer? Because every survey you send to different people, there might be some information and they may be the customer that some information identify the customer, something like that, right? How do I form that on the URL? We can get the parameter in URL as well. I can show you that tomorrow. Nobody. I thought you want to just see how the parameters work here. Let me see. It should go to URL only. Let me check. It should go to URL, but how do you capture in a script? That's what I was showing here. This was the script. Let me see. I'm going to go back to the script. 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 You can see that now this URL is getting this parameter cusparam hello, right? And let's go to the original script. You can see I am printing this context, right? We will do context parameters, right? And dot this cusparam name, and we can log this hello. This is simple JavaScript you can use. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@therightuptalk.com.